Alrighty boys, we're back with another vlog. We're here at Happy Hippie's place.
Is that
This is a Renault Clio. Holy.
You're looking at the wrong thing.
Aston Martin down there as well. No, this is super rare. You never see this. Look at this. When do you ever see a Renault Clio Sport?
What's so cool about a Renault?
Are you serious?
Got the S2Ks rolling out here.
Oh shit, we got two S2Ks. Alright, there's these. I feel like we've seen these before.
And then that, what is this? It's not Chevy, right? Yeah. Got a Rocket Bunny BRZ. Nice. Not as cool as the Clio though. We got a classic Beetle right here. This is cool. This is literally like mine in GTA. And then
That's like mine, but mine.
Aston Martin. Got a truck right there.
Bro.
Got dropped off here. 51,000 square feet.
Yeah, we got a go-kart ride because of how long the driveway or the road is.
I didn't vlog, but it's been cool. What?
You're like walking through some like universal like
like the Main Street area.
You know that main strip area?
Yeah. So yeah, they're saying 51,000 square feet. They just put it together this week as well. I've seen on Instagram that the build process. I think over the last year they've been building it. They put down like the concrete first, and they put these buildings like the decoration, and then I guess after a while lighting, heating, all that stuff. But yeah, all the cars laid out here. This is such a sick collection. Got like a rat rod. I don't know too much about old cars. So this is a Chevy Low Rider. Look how low it is.
You know what's so funny? From a distance, when we're outside, I thought this looked like a 300, like the front.
Yeah.
From a
Old Camaro. I like the gold. Oh, and the grill as well. I think gold. That's pretty cool. Got the side here as well. And then the rest, I think, is chrome back there. No, I think it's just the lighting. The red interior. Clean Bel Air. Is this a C10? Look how thick the tires are. Flatbed on the rear. Look at this. What the heck? That looks so sinister. Just matte black. And look how thick the rear tires are as well. That's crazy. Alright, old classic car guys, do not flame me. But is this a Plymouth, I think? If I'm not mistaken. Then we got... This is the Hot Wheels car, isn't it? I don't know what the actual one is. I've seen it before. Look at the quad pipes there on the side. I wonder if there's more on the other side. So 8 fitment on the rear tires. All these cars are so big as well. Like back in the day, we just made them absolute land yachts. Like look how long this is. That's literally probably like a Civic and maybe even 2 Civics back to back. That's how long that is. That's crazy. I like this color on the Beetle. I've never seen something like that. All these look like Ford Deluxes, are they? I don't know. It has the same side profile. And all these tires are absolutely massive as well. This is a Volkswagen thing, right? Yeah. I was gonna say. The thing. I don't know how they made up with that, but Volkswagen thing. Now we kind of talk about my kind of classic cars, Z28 Camaro. Usually see these in white, red, or yellow. But this one's pretty nice with the livery down the middle. All these are in clean condition as well. Probably clean them before the show as well today. And we got a Mini with pink wheels, pink interior, yeah, and blacked out taillights with like the peace sign. Look at the exhaust as well. I've never seen it like that. Are they? I thought they were usually in the middle, center. My other car is a Viper. Nice. Then look at this color. That's really cool. It's like turquoise, and then turquoise pearlescent with like a blue or purple finish base color. Then we got all these gas pumps, old classic gas pumps that he collects. I guess he's kept them over these years. And then all these vintage signs as well, the bright LEDs. It's really cool. We got all these old signs over here as well. We got a Rolls Royce and Bentley sign right there. Tire. We got another Beetle. He has, I don't know how many Beetles? 3 I counted so far maybe? Probably has more, but I just miscounted. We got an old Shell gas pump as well. Look how tall they were as well. Then again, I think this was before. They didn't have, back in the day, they didn't have like the covers, right? For what? Gas stations? Like how we do? No, I didn't think so. It was literally just this. So that was the new 15 or 5100 square foot building. Now this is the mechanic shop. They said, I guess this is from back in the day as well. Look at the wheels up here. Those are really nice. I like those. I think those are his old Chiron wheels. So we've got, I think, the Senna, Rolls Royce wheels. Which ones are those? Those are huge. Those look like also Rolls Royce wheels. Some off-road tires, Bentley wheels. Corvette, like C7 probably. Huracan, I believe, wheels. Yeah, literally the full set. Look at this side as well. Look at this Mini. Look at the huge air intake with the turbo right in front. Wide body. This is like a drag wheel or what? I don't know. Got a Camaro right here. All white. He had a GTR, an R35, and I believe a Challenger, also all in white. Pretty much same colorway, white wheels, white body. And we've got all these like collectibles all on the wall here. Alrighty, so we did 2 buildings now, the 51,000 square foot building, the collectibles building, and now we're going to like the main building that we always see on Instagram. Excuse me. I don't know. There's 5 buildings, he said, so this is the main one. So yeah, let's check out here. So we got the Cullinan, we got a Dawn. A lot of them are white on white, you'll notice, the white on white builds. I believe those are probably Forgiatos with the silver middle. We got a Bentley Continental, also Forgiatos in red. We got, I'm assuming Bentley Mustang. Is this 4GT? Are those Forgiatos?
The same bike, but we were seeing like all the pictures in the other room.
Possibly, yeah.
I kept seeing that kind of like colorway.
I saw something on Instagram, 104.
For this?
Yeah. I don't know how, unless maybe that's in Canada. I don't know.
Yeah.
We've got Aventador, we got Huracan, we got SLS, 50th anniversary, I believe. And look in the middle. We'll check that out last. Yeah, look at this Aventador right here. Are those just the tail or the headlight covers? Tinted color? And like a rainbow hologram wrap. Also a Huracan Spider with Forgiato wheels. The front splitter, pretty nice, and the wheel or the wing in the back, pretty nice. This one I've seen. This is actually pretty nice. Red with the white interior. I like it. Look in the back as well. There's all these like model cars in the back. This is the 50th anniversary. I don't know. It's like it's in the gold. It's a special edition, I believe.
Can you tell he likes white?
Yeah. But these are all the white cars. This is a Demon in all white. That's pretty cool. Got a C7 over here as well in all white. The only thing I wouldn't do is the grills. I'd keep those black, but everything else.
I feel like on this car it fits. I feel like it fits.
I don't know. I don't.
This?
Cool. Iffy. Got a Camaro right here with like the Forgiato logo in the middle. And no roof.
Yeah, it's like a
and then R35 in all ways. Well, with the
I didn't even notice
grill.
that at all.
Now let's check out what we saw last week. The green carbon P1
Most expensive car.
in chrome,
Where's he have here?
polished wheels, and the interior as well.
Is this our
in green
third
carbon.
or 4 times thing?
1, 2, 3. He's the first owner of this carbon fiber Chiron. I believe he's the second owner of this and this one. So the first owner spec'd both Senna and P1 in this. Then he spec'd this Chiron in this same also carbon fiber weaving finish. I don't know if these ones are from MSO. I don't know if they do that or you can just do that straight from McLaren. Even look at the interior as well. And here we got the Senna in carbon fiber and green with the blue center caps. So those are probably stock wheels. He has other ones that we showed off in the other shop over here with the green wheels as well. I don't know if they're, I think they are from this and not the P1 because they have the same spoke design. This one's pretty much the same, has a green interior as well with white bucket seats.
I think this is the first ever McLaren.
This one?
Yeah.
VIN number 1.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean,
I didn't know
that's
that.
VIN number 2 because the first one was the prototype.
Oh,
that
true,
was in
yeah.
like the manufacturing.
Yeah.
Facility. But this is like the first one that made it to.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
My father-in-law is like he's the one who built the garage for him.
Oh, really?
So yeah. He's crazy, man.
That's really cool. And to Canada as well, from England. Like, that's really special. Oh, this is McLaren Senna. I don't know where's the, it would say somewhere on a plaque, maybe like behind here, but I don't know. The first production Senna, and it's here in Canada. Pretty cool.
I've actually
So
never
here
seen
outside, hopefully I don't get copyright strike, but we got the fake exhaust right here on the Model X. The guy that brought us on the golf cart said this is 1200 horsepower or 1100 horsepower. In the plaid app as well, it's like tie-dye. White interior as well, and same wheel. I got all these old vintage gasoline signs. They weren't that tall as well, like compared to.
They're supposed to be way bigger.
Like, yeah, today the skyscrapers.
Like you can probably just jump and reach the top.
Yeah. Some big body Benz with some mirrors in the back. That's pretty cool.
This is
the
like
whole wheel.
more model cars.
Yeah, I think that's what the guy said. We got a whole shelf up there with Hot Wheels. There's a hanging actually. Mirrors. Look at this is a hood. That's absolutely massive. Standing up, that's more than 6 feet. That's like 6'5" tall. Got some bikes. Got some more model cars up on the packaging as well, up on the top shelf. Is this a Gurkha?
What is this called?
No, is this a Gurkha?
Is this the same family or something?
It says a knight.
I guess they all just look the same, the big massive. That's
Like a Pterodyne Gurkha, they look the same, just armored all white. Then we got another vintage gas fan here. Look at this in here. The motorcycle section. So he had some in the other newer building. And I guess the other ones they have their own. Yeah, all of these motorcycles. Look at this as well. That's a whole car. Or is it 3 wheels? It is. Harley Davidson supercharged F-150? What? Yeah. I ain't never seen this before. Alright, we walked back to, or not walk back, but got a ride back. Got a C8 in Rapid Blue right there.
Right here, we can hear it.
We got some muscle cars down there. Alrighty, so we're heading out now. We just talked to the owner of this place, Tim, Happy Hippie, and yeah, he was basically telling us the gas pumps from back then,
That's it.
how much different they are from today. Yeah, we're gonna head
I
out
don't
now.
look at people's shoes.
Huh?
And
I don't look at people's
I think I'm gonna end the video off
I'm
here.
kinda
So if
used
you
to
guys
talking to Mark. I do
enjoyed this
look at
video,
people's shoes.
make sure to give a like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. So he's an owner or an upcoming owner of the Yesco Absolute.
Why you
Close the
can't put it in
window.
your video?
Wait, I don't know if he announced it yet or publicly or not. The Yesco Absolute is a top speed edition, and then the Attack is the track version.
What's
so,
your last one about his GTR that was hidden?
no, wasn't
Then
that
what if we got that golf cart driver in trouble for telling us?
I thought that was the drivers.
Yeah, it was
Oh, it was
drivers,
his?
Yeah. That's what he
Why
said.
was he forced to hide it that you can't show it off?
I don't know. He probably just had to hide it from.
Making
I don't
people
know.
go back there.
Yeah.